सोमारा IPHB इस्पितळान गोंय मेडिकल कॉलेजीन आयोजन केल्ल्या मानसीक स्वास्थ्य सप्ताहाचे उक्तावण आनी प्रदर्शनाचे उक्तावण भलायकी खात्याचो मंत्री विश्वजीत राणेन केला. मानसीक स्वास्थ्य सप्ताहा निमतान मानसीक भलायकी बरी नाशिल्ल्या दुयेंतींनी तयार केल्ले वस्तू प्रदर्शनाक दवरिल्ले. मानसीक भलायकी बरी नाशिल्ल्याचे प्रश्न समजून घेवप, तांचेर योग्य तो उपचार करप खूब तोखणायेचें काम आसा. त्याच प्रमाणान IPHB इस्पितळाक गरज आशिल्ल्या गजाली पुराय करपा खातीर सरकार वावुरता, अशें मंत्री राणे उलयलो.
There are several issues. There are several domestic issues in the house as a result of which it pressurizes the child's mind and the child goes into depression. So this is a long, like a train engine. This issue gets related to this issue as a result of which the child goes into depression, or the wife goes into depression, or there is some sort of, there are multiple issues. Many times there are pressures from the peers on the child, on the students, and she is unable to cope up, or he is unable to cope up. As a result of it, he gives up his life. All these things in theory, I am not a doctor, but all these things in theory that are there, that Dr. Bandekar mentioned, he can explain better because technically he is a doctor, I am not a doctor. So he can tell you at what level, what triggers what, but I don't want to go into what triggers what. I am just trying to say in a simple language, is that all these issues which are there need to be addressed. This is an institution which needs to be transformed, which we are working. I was just told that the work is going very slow, though we have released about 6 crores of rupees for having a new center of excellence. When we talk about a center of excellence, we must already have a partner on board that will help him, even talk to us in terms of training, what we require. We are not here to have an institution just to fill up LDCs and fill up multitasking workers, but we require specialists to be on board. We require those qualified personnel and doctors who have to be working in the institution. Even now, when there was so much controversy about the recruitment, but when I actually saw the list of recruitment, what is given to me is only nurses. I don't need all those nurses. I require people in hospital administration. I require so many technical people that are required basically to be working in the hospital. We require more technical, educated people who can help in enhancing the value and efficiency of the hospital. As a result of which, we need to see that we have the right type of recruitment policy and we have the right type of people on board. These are hospitals. You have to have a number of counselors. Lot of children come, the environment has to be child friendly also when you come for counseling. If you come to this building, you get depressed. I did get depressed today. I got depressed about 12 years back when I came here. But it's not your mistake. It is not your mistake. You have been doing your best. But what happens is on the occasion of mental health day, it is for us to take a pledge that we will do something positive, we will do something that will change and transform people's life. We will help in providing the support that the patient requires. We will help in streamlining problems that are there. I don't say that everything is hunky-dory. There are several issues, but that we have to work within the issue, work within the system.
मानसीक भलायकी सप्ताहाच्या उक्तावण सुवाळ्याक भलायकी खात्याचो मंत्री राणे, सचिव नीला मोहनन, प्रोफेसर योना डिसिल्वा, गोंय मेडिकलाचो डीन बांदेकार आनी हेर माचेर आसले. भलायकी खात्याची सचिव नीला मोहननाचे उक्तावण सुवाळ्याक तोखणाय करपी उलोवप जाले.
It is extremely important that we have events like this so that we are able to communicate with the larger public who are not restricted to the four walls of our institution. IPHB has been doing stellar service for many years now, and I'm very happy to hear and also to know about the steps that are being taken, being planned to make the institution grow by leaps and bounds. We are thankful to central government for affording this chance to IPHB to expand in years to come. In fact, very immediately, very soon, we will be having a center of excellence set up here. And under the able guidance and initiative of our Honorable Health Minister, I am sure that we will be able to execute this project in time and ensure that its benefits are extended to the general public of Goa.
IPHB इस्पितळान शिकपी विद्यार्थ्यांक रावपा खातीर हॉस्टेलाची सोय करची मागणी प्रोफेसर योना डिसिल्वा परेरान केल्या.
We hope to start MPhil in clinical psychology in the next academic year 2021 and to increase the intake of students for the courses in allied mental health sciences to meet the guidelines suggested by the Ministry of Health and Family Welfare. We also hope to get a hostel to accommodate the postgraduate students of psychiatry and those of allied mental health sciences.